I'm going to fry this turkey today, right around 16-pound turkey, a little less than 16-pound. So got him injected with butter injection, and then covered in the Tony Cajun seasoning. I don't know how to say that name. So anyway, I think everybody knows what I'm talking about. And I already have the oil going. This is a setup from Academy I just got a couple weeks ago. And one box of oil. We'll fill it up right to the line, right in there. So it's just enough. It comes with instructions right on the lid. So this says 325, and then this says 3.5 minutes per pound. That was a little too much. First turkey I did a couple weeks ago, that was a little bit too much. The turkey was just a tad bit overcooked, over fried. So I'm gonna do 3 minutes per pound, and online you'll see 350 is how hot you should get the oil, but I'm not gonna do that either. Keep it at 325 and drop the cooking time to 3 minutes, and see how it comes out this time. So this is the turkey. Like I said, it's just under 16 pounds. Injected it with Tony's butter injection, and then seasoned it with Tony's Cajun seasoning, and that's pretty much it. Just use a generous amount, but obviously it's falling off. The big thing is to you want this as dry as possible. I just kind of shook it off. I'm about to put it on. There was still some liquid in there. You can see some liquid in there. So just that's the part that gets people. So I drained the pan, reset it, and about to put it on. It's got to be put in real careful. It'll be good. All right, so I just put it in very carefully. Temp was at 350. Now down to 300. That's why I didn't turn down the flame. Now we'll let it work its way back up. 3 minutes per pound. That's it. Gotta be putting it very carefully. So let it cook now, uncovered. So after just a few minutes, temperatures dropped to maybe 280. We want to be at 325, so I did turn up the flame, which is just turning this way. Turned it up a little bit. Bring the heat back up. You want to do it a little bit at a time, though. You don't want the oil to start burning. It wouldn't be the oil, but it would be anything, spices or fragrance that came off, and then it's going to leave that burnt taste on it. So just a little bit at a time. Check back in a couple minutes. Okay, it's taking about 20 minutes to get this thing back up to temp. Started at 245, but I have been slowly turning it up, so that's probably why it took so long. I don't want to get it going too high, then turn it down. So I might even turn it down a little bit more if it gets right up to 325. So first time I did this, I never checked it before it was done, and I thought it was a little over fried. It just looked, it looked good, but some of the connecting sections were definitely crispy, way over Christmas, but everybody likes it. But I want to take a look at it now, 20 minutes into it and see what it looks like. So I can have a point of reference. So I can come on and look at it. Alright. Alright. Again here, 30 minutes in. The temperature did go up above 225. Cars been steadily adjusting it lower. Bringing it back. So last time, the oil got really dark. It just looked like it was on the verge of burning. After I emptied it out, the bottom was all black. I don't know if that's normal or not, but you get the smell too. The smell that goes burned. So I'm just trying to stay definitely below 225, but I don't got above. So I really kicked it down just a minute ago. I want to check it one more time because it only has about 15 minutes left. So yeah, that's about to be ready. Right now, I got 13 minutes.